Right here we have Up All Night Inc. All right. See them a lot of times doing great things in the community. Got a lot of the shirts, a lot of all your needs with the stuff like that. What's going on? What's going on? All right, Lee. All right, this is cool. I like the what's this called?
Stretch table cover.
This is nice. You made this yourself?
Yeah. We print all these. We do the table covers, pop-ups, any type of printing you need.
I will print
For sure. This is slick. See a lot of your stuff online. A lot of stuff you're doing. Doing some stuff for the fair, right?
Yeah. We actually just printed those for the fair.
Okay. Yeah, here we go. It's the Antelope Valley Fair. Fair they have out here.
And
a lot of printing for that. Really nice.
Just check it out on the website.
What kind of printing is this called?
I have a link to my catalog.
Oh, this is screen print. Okay.
That's screen printing.
Or you can come in and I can show you stuff.
Really nice. Have a big selection.
Right there? Okay.
And then
How's it going?
or send me an
Nice to okay, awesome.
And then we also print stickers. We print, laminate, and cut.
We do everything. So we do screen printing, we do vehicle graphics.
Welcome to the Champions Playbook Business Consulting Firm, where we specialize in multiplying your business sales with our business growth habits and business partnership development. Just go to thechampionsplaybooktcp.com and download our secret sales growth guide S to immediately lay the foundation to multiply the sales for your business.
And you can see like all those prices.
Information, right?
Ryan, I'm Gia. Do you have a card?
Really nice card too. Nice layer and everything.
Well, it's just for I know how. We do more of like the partial like vehicle wrap type stuff.
I like keeping cards and like writing my notes on
That's kind of usually where it goes in because
And as you see, excuse me, sir. Sorry about that. As you see, right, the custom shirts, screen printing, 24-piece minimum, 9 business day turnaround. So they're showing everything that they got going right here. Stickers, banners, window graphics, event display package, brand merch package. Everything looks really nice. Shirts. All the shirts. Really nice. They're talking to a lot of people, you know. You're not gonna hold them up. Winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The Champions Playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.